Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, in this video we are going to be making chickpeas. So over here is my chickpeas. I have 3 tomatoes plums, 1 medium onions, and 2 scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm also going to be adding some other ingredients to it as time goes on. So guys, without wasting much of your time, we are just going to dive into the video. We are going to start by blending our tomatoes and onions together. Guys, I just placed my pan in the gas. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add few drops of groundnut oil into my frying pan, and I'm going to allow it to hot for just few minutes. Then I'm going to be adding my onions to it. This is my blended pepper. Before adding the blended pepper, I'm going to add just half teaspoon of my tomato puree into it. This is my tomato puree. I'm going to be adding it. Add my blended pepper. I'm going to start seasoning it now. I'm going to start by adding salt. I'm going to be adding my black pepper. And also I'm going to be adding my nut cube. And I'm going to allow it to simmer for the next 10 minutes. Guys, at this junction, I'm going to be adding my chickpeas. Yummy, yummy. I don't have a crayfish, I would have added. I love adding, those dried fish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my crayfish. I'm just going to give it a stir. Then in the next 10 minutes, it's ready, guys. Very easy and simple. And it looks yummy. If you're a lover of chickpeas, you will understand what I'm talking about. Yummy, yummy, guys. Guys, it's ready. So this is the finishing part. It looks so yummy and delicious. And what I'm going to do is just to dish it out. then and began to whack. And don't forget, if you know you are hungry, my address is there at the description box below. Remember guys, sharing is caring. So I'm going to be, you know, taking it with my baguette, and over here is my baguette. Guys, hurry and let's come and work it together. This is how I like to eat my chick spear. You can also use it as a side dish for rice or any other dishes. It also goes well. Thank you also so much. I say may the good Lord bless you all. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed.